Okay, so Nvidia is trading at an extremely dangerous area. The year just started and it is already going up like 20% without a rest, and technically speaking, we just hit a technical dual resistance level. In order for Nvidia to put an end on this bear market for good, it must break the key points we will discuss in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. Let's analyze Nvidia's price action, starting with the short term in the hourly chart. What do we see over here? Crystal clear bull trend, higher highs, higher lows. Nvidia is trading consistently above its 21 EMA, and this is it. There is not a single top sign, there is not a single bearish structure indicating a pullback or a reversal ahead. All right, it is just extremely bullish. In the daily chart, it is quite important to see Nvidia doing this because since we found a bottom level over here after filling this little gap, Nvidia triggered a bullish pivot point, a very small, timid bullish pivot point, but it did break a bullish pivot point along with the 21 EMA. Now, the EMA is pointing upwards. We broke the retracement at 38.2% over here along with the previous bottom level. This, to me, was the most important critical key point on Nvidia midterm speaking, because we had to break this resistance at 157 in order to fly again. Now that we broke this resistance, we are just breaking the other retracements, going up, and just like in the hourly chart, there's not a single bearish sign, there's not a single bearish structure indicating a possible pullback right now so far. Oh, what if we see a bearish structure on Nvidia this week, Nathan? Well, if we see, I believe Nvidia could correct to its 21 EMA in the daily chart. This is it, all right? This is all that I can say right now on Nvidia midterm speaking, because the trend is clearly bullish. Nvidia is breaking its resistance levels, and right now if we see a pullback, since it is a bull trend, any pullback would mean an opportunity to buy at a cheaper price level with a good risk-reward ratio. Now, long-term speaking, in the weekly chart, here is where the situation gets a little bit more interesting. Here we see many important, many critical key points on Nvidia. Are you still watching this video and you didn't click the like button? What the hell are you doing? Probably you liked the content, so click on the like button and subscribe to this channel because, well, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on many stocks, including Nvidia. So seriously, consider subscribing. Now, Nvidia is about to trigger a very powerful reversal structure. To be honest, it is a dual reversal structure because in the weekly chart, since November 2021, we see nothing but a bear market on Nvidia. It is just doing lower highs, lower lows, trading consistently inside this descending channel. So, okay, long-term speaking, Nvidia is clearly bearish. There is not a single bullish reversal structure triggered yet on Nvidia. But Nvidia could trigger a fantastic reversal if we break the upper purple trend line over here in the weekly chart, and most important of all, the 187. The 187 is at the same time a neckline. A neckline, let me see, where is the head here? Is a neckline of a huge, gigantic, long-term speaking, inverted head and shoulders chart pattern. If Nvidia breaks 187, it is going to break free from this descending channel, and it is going to trigger this inverted head and shoulders in the weekly chart. It is quite important to tell that the second shoulder over here found a very technical support level at the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement. In the daily chart, we can't tell, right? I mean, we filled a gap over here and this is it, right? But in the weekly chart, the situation gets way more meaningful, right? Because we just hit the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement, did a hammer candlestick pattern this week, we did a dragonfly doji in the following week, and right now we are just flying. So everything here is pointing to a possible breakout of this dual chart, a bullish chart pattern, indicating that Nvidia could put an end in this bear market for good. And of course, if you want more analysis like this, and if you want to join a community of top traders and be among the top 5%, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. We are literally the top 5% traders. We are doing extremely well so far, so just check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Now, back to Nvidia. We are about to trigger this fantastic bullish structure, and what's more, usually a bullish flag means a continuation of the bull trend if we see an upwards breakout. What is the technical target of a bullish flag chart pattern? Well, you must project the pole high in the direction of the breakout. So yes, Nvidia would have a monster upside potential, long-term speaking, considering, of course, assuming it is going to trigger this bullish flag. Remember, this bullish flag was not triggered yet. This inverted head and shoulders was not triggered yet. Nvidia could still could trigger, could do a very annoying bearish candlestick pattern over here next week, reinforcing the bearish sentiment for a little bit longer. This could easily happen. So right now, the best thing we should do is wait for confirmation. This is the main difference between professional traders and gamblers. Professionals wait for confirmation. We wait for a true breakout before assuming things. Now, Nvidia looks quite promising, and of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this channel every week on Nvidia, so seriously, subscribe this channel, click on the like button. I told you liked the content, so click on the like button to support this channel. I really appreciate your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe, see you guys tomorrow.